Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If r times s square times t cube times u cube is greater than 0 and u is less than 0, which of the following must be true? Okay, now let me take this inequality as it is. That is r times s square times t cube times u cube. This is greater than 0. And also we have the information that is u less than 0. Since u is less than 0, this u must be a negative value. Okay, here let me take exponent 3 for this negative value u, then we get u to the third power. Whenever I take odd exponent for a negative value, so the result also will be a negative value. Since u is a negative value and we take odd exponent 3, then the value of this u cube also will be negative, that is it has to be less than 0. Okay, now let's come to this expression over here. In this expression, it's very clear the value of this u cube is negative. Then what must be the sign of this expression? It has to be negative, so that when we multiply a negative value by another negative value, the overall product will be positive, that is greater than 0. So now it's very clear the sign of this expression, that is r times s square times t cube, has to be negative, that is less than 0. Okay, when I go over the answer choices here, I don't find s in any of the answer choices. So now what we can do is we can try to get of this s in this inequality. For that we have to divide both sides of this inequality by s square. And also this s square is a positive value because of the even exponent. Whatever value we have for s, whether we have a positive value or negative value, since we have even exponent for s, this s square is positive. Here I divide both sides of this inequality by the same positive value. Whenever I divide both sides of an inequality by the same positive value, no change in the inequality sign, this less than sign will remain same. And here this s square will cancel out. I am getting r times t cube less than 0 divided by any positive value is still 0. Okay, here we have t cube. But when I go over the answer choices, I find t over here, t just t to the first power. But here we have exponent 3 for t. So we have to make this one as t to the first power. For that what we have to do is we have to divide both sides of this inequality by t square. Okay, again t square is a positive value because even exponent, whatever value we have for t, so when we take even exponent it will be a positive value. So that is in this inequality I divide both sides by the same positive value t square. So no changes in this inequality, this less than sign will remain same. And here r times, when I divide this t cube by t square, I am getting t less than 0 divided by any positive value is still 0. Okay, here I am getting the result rt is less than 0. We find this stuff exactly in answer choice A. So in the given answer choices, the one which is true is stuff rt less than 0 in answer choice A. So the correct answer choice for this question is A.